Traveling Penghu. Part 2, Penghu's Fireworks Festival.
Welcome back to the deep dive. If part 1 showed us Penghu's profound roots in history and its truly unique geological wonders, this second part is all about its dazzling contemporary spirit.
Yeah, let's get into the sparkle.
We're about to light up your understanding of the event that transforms Penghu's skies into a canvas of color and sound. The Penghu International Fireworks Festival.
Our mission for this segment is to unpack every essential detail of this world-renowned spectacle. We'll uncover its surprising, quite heartfelt origins, break down the breathtaking show elements that go far beyond just fireworks these days,
Right.
and equip you with practical tips on how to experience it like an insider, ensuring you don't miss a single spark.
Prepare for a thorough exploration of the festival's specific dates, its exciting 2025 theme featuring a beloved international cartoon star, very cool, a look back at past collaborations, and the intricate drone displays.
The drones are key now.
We'll also tell you the best ways to navigate the crowds and find your perfect viewing spot, ensuring you don't miss a single flash and boom.
Let's get you ready for the show.
So let's dive right in. What exactly is the Penghu International Fireworks Festival, and what are the key details for 2025 that visitors need to know?
The Penghu International Fireworks Festival is indeed a major annual event, drawing immense crowds and global attention. For 2025, the festival officially runs from May 5 to July 29.
May to end of July, okay.
With a special trial run scheduled for April 28. This nearly 3-month duration means consistent opportunities to experience the magic, offering a long window for visitors, and it's held annually from May to July.
That's a remarkably long run for a festival of this scale. And where's the primary location to catch all the action?
The primary location for the fireworks display is the Guanyiting Recreation Area in Magon City, which is the capital of Penghu.
Guanyiting again, central spot.
Exactly. The fireworks beautifully complement the unique bay environment and the romantic Xing Rainbow Bridge. By day, the bridge is a picturesque architectural marvel, a beloved local landmark. But at night, it transforms into a glowing rainbow thanks to its elaborate lighting.
The Rainbow Bridge.
Crucially, during the festival, the bridge itself is closed to the public because the fireworks are launched directly from its structure, making it the very heart of the display.
Launched right from the bridge. Cool. What's truly fascinating here is the origin story of this festival. It didn't just begin as a pure tourist attraction, did it? It has a pretty poignant and powerful beginning, born from a moment of tragedy.
It does, and it's a story of profound resilience. The festival began in 2003, and its genesis was a direct response to the tragic crash of China Airlines Flight 611 off the coast of Penghu in 2002.
Oh, I remember that. So sad.
Yeah, it was devastating. This event severely impacted the local tourism industry and the morale of the community. The festival was conceived as a powerful initiative to revive tourism in the region. But more than that, it was a way for the community to heal and transform sorrow into something beautiful.
Wow.
What started as a local effort to rebuild has since blossomed into an internationally celebrated event, showcasing Penghu's collective resilience and spirit. It's a powerful testament to turning loss into a vibrant annual celebration of light and community.
So what started as a way to heal and rebuild has become this huge international draw. That's an incredibly moving narrative. Let's talk about the dazzling display itself. Beyond just traditional fireworks, what other cutting-edge show elements can we expect these days?
First, of course, is the magnificent fireworks feast itself, which bloom in the night sky and are reflected on the sea.
Classic fireworks.
Right. You'll see a wide variety, including classic blooming of flowers, streaking of shooting stars, and combinations with music. But what truly adds a modern, almost futuristic dimension are the cutting-edge drone light shows.
The drones. Tell us about those.
These have become increasingly prominent. In 2022, for example, the display was about 50% lit up drones and 50% fireworks, showing a significant integration of this new technology.
The 50, wow.
Yeah, drones are used to create cartoon patterns and swaying patterns, adding this whole other layer to the traditional fireworks.
Drones creating patterns in the sky sounds absolutely incredible. Is there a specific theme or collaboration for the drone shows in 2025 that we should be excited about?
Yes, and it's a big one. The 2025 festival features a special collaboration with Snoopy to celebrate its 75th anniversary.
Snoopy, no way.
Yeah, this means cute and exciting cross-border co-branding, bringing the beloved Peanuts characters to life in the night sky. You can expect Snoopy-themed drone shows on specific dates. Imagine Snoopy in Woodstock dancing across the night sky made entirely of light.
Oh, Snoopy. That's going to be a massive hit and very memorable. Have they done other famous character or brand collaborations in the past that were equally popular?
They've had some very popular and creative ones for Disney's 100th anniversary in 2023.
Disney 100, right?
The drone patterns featured beloved characters like Mickey Mouse, Finding Nemo, and even Star Wars characters like R2-D2 and BB-8, all synchronized with iconic Disney tunes.
Star Wars drones.
Yeah. In 2024, they had a hugely popular One Piece collaboration, which included not just the drone and fireworks shows, but also a support concert and a Starlight Cinema.
One Piece. That must have been huge.
It was. The One Piece drone shows were particularly memorable, with formations like a very cool pirate flag version featuring full-body characters, and another with half-body characters set against famous Penghu attractions. These collaborations really elevate the experience beyond just a traditional fireworks display.
It sounds like a full sensory experience, integrating music, drones, and these iconic characters. Is there also music and live performances accompanying the fireworks, adding to the atmosphere?
Absolutely. The fireworks shows are intricately set to music, creating a truly magical atmosphere where the visual spectacle is enhanced by a powerful soundtrack.
Music makes such a difference.
Totally.
How long does the full show usually last, combining all these elements, and is there any variability in that?
The full show, combining both drones and fireworks, typically lasts about 25 minutes, which is a substantial and satisfying duration for such a complex display.
25 minutes. Good length.
However, it's important to note that if drones are canceled due to strong winds, a very real possibility in Penghu, the fireworks-only display might be shorter, around 10 minutes.
The wind factor again.
Yep. The drones, being lighter, are more susceptible to wind, so be prepared for that possibility.
That brings up a crucial point. The schedule and its variability. When exactly are the main shows held? And are there opportunities to see them in other locations beyond Magon? Cool.
Yeah, these outlying island shows offer a unique local experience.
And what's the big caveat we absolutely need to remember about these shows, especially with Penghu's characteristic winds?
Crucially, both the fireworks and especially the drone displays are highly susceptible to cancellation or postponement due to strong winds or heavy rains.
Weather dependent. Always check. So what does this all mean for someone planning to visit and experience the festival? Let's talk practicalities and tips for getting there and navigating the island during this busy period. First, how do you even get to Penghu?
The fastest and most reliable option is by plane. Flights are available daily from multiple cities in Taiwan, with flight durations ranging from Taipei Songshan, a quick 60 minutes, to Kaohsiung, 40 minutes, and Tainan, 30 minutes.
Flying is quick. Book early, especially for the festival. Are ferries an option too for those who prefer sea travel or are looking for a cheaper alternative?
Yes, by ferry is a cheaper option, primarily from Budai passenger port in Chiayi, taking approximately 1.5 hours on a fast ferry or 4 hours on a standard one. Ferries also run from Kaohsiung, taking about 4 hours.
Ferries from Chai or Kaohsiung.
But a significant point to remember is that ferries are way more likely to be canceled than flights due to high waves and strong wind, and are mostly season dependent with fewer options in winter.
More risk of cancellation with ferries.
Definitely. If you choose this route, seasickness medication is highly recommended, as the Taiwan Strait can be quite choppy.
What about renting scooters or cars, which are generally popular for exploring the islands on your own? Are those viable options for festival nights?
While scooters are a favorite way to explore Penghu's main islands, be aware that some shops may not rent to foreign tourists without a Taiwanese motorcycle license, even if you have an international driver's permit.
License issue for scooters, okay.
Car rental is a safer and more comfortable alternative, especially for families or in windy conditions, and provides the welcome comfort of AC.
Car might be better then.
Magon also has a public bus network, and for those who prefer not to drive, there's the Taiwan Haxing Tourist Shuttle, a dedicated tourist bus service offering convenient routes to the North, Shiyu, and East Huxi sites.
Now for the main event. Where are the absolute best viewing spots for the fireworks? Everyone wants that perfect photo, that unobstructed view.
For that truly immersive experience, the closest spot to the fireworks launch point is, of course, the Guanyiting main venue. It's advisable to arrive at least 1-2 hours early to secure a good spot.
Get there early.
Perhaps with a picnic mat. Toilets are conveniently available nearby. If you want a relatively comfortable seated experience with a good line of sight, the Guanyiting basketball court stone steps, located on the right side of the entrance, offer a decent view.
Stone steps for seating. Okay. Are there any local secrets or less crowded spots for a charming view?
There is. What's fascinating here is the Guanyiting seawall north side. This is considered a local secret, situated near the Penghu Maritime and Fishery Vocational School.
Ooh, a local secret.
It offers a charming view of the fireworks, particularly because you can see them beautifully reflected on the sea, adding another layer of magic.
Reflections on the water. Nice.
Yeah. For a more exclusive experience, the National Salvation Corps Youth Activity Center Cafe Lounge on the second floor offers an excellent view for a fee, which often includes snacks and drinks. Booking in advance is highly recommended for this option, as it sells out quickly.
Paid view with snacks. Fancy. And for those wide panoramic shots, maybe from a little further away, but with a grander perspective.
Inguatu Fort is a great option for that. While it's further from the immediate launch site, its open views and fewer crowds make it an ideal spot for capturing wide panoramic shots of the fireworks against the expanse of the bay and sky. It gives you broader context for the display.
Jingu for panoramas. Good tip. What about truly unique water-based perspectives? I've heard some people get onto the water itself.
Those are highly sought after and offer a completely different feel. You can book a fireworks cruise to watch the show from the harbor, avoiding the land crowds entirely. Some even include dinner.
Dinner cruise.
But be mindful of seasickness if you're prone to it, as the boats can sway. For a truly unusual experience, you can paddle out into the bay on a SUP, stand-up paddleboard, to float on the sea and secure the front row.
Paddleboarding to the fireworks, that's wild.
Yeah. This offers a zero obstruction view and a near distance feel of the fireworks, making it incredibly intimate. And for an even more advanced, romantic, and unique way to enjoy the show, a sailing boat often includes dinner and drinks, creating a unique party atmosphere at sea. A very luxurious way to experience the spectacle.
Beyond the festival and the food, what about daytime exploration and island hopping? What are the must-see sights and activities?
You can easily tour the interconnected Magon, Huxi, Baisha, and Shiu Islands by scooter or car. Don't miss landmarks like the Penghu Great Bridge, Taiwan's longest bridge connecting two major islands,
The Long Bridge.
the incredible Tongliang Great Banyan, a temple with a banyan tree canopy so vast it looks like a forest, Whale Cave, a natural arch formation, and the quaint coral-built Erkin Historic Village we mentioned earlier.
Lots to see on the main islands. And for those who want to venture further out and explore the smaller, more remote islands.
Southern Islands tours typically depart from Magon Nanhai Wharf, visiting beautiful spots like Kume Island, famous for its iconic Twin Hearts stone weir, and the Little Taiwan Rock Formation.
Twin Hearts, so famous.
Guanyiting Island, Tongpan Island, known for its stunning basalt columns, and Hujing Island, nicknamed Cat Island. Snorkeling opportunities abound, including the Lavender Forest, a captivating spot with vast purple coral.
Purple coral forest, wow.
Eastern Islands tours depart from Q2 Wharf on Baisha Island, highlighting Peng Peng Beach, a long strip of white sand appearing after a typhoon, perfect for water activities like banana boats and water slides. Northern Islands tours depart from Tukun Wharf on Baisha Island, focusing on Jibi Island and its famous Jubai Sandtail, a sandy spit with various adventure water activities.
It really is a place where history is literally written in the rocks and under the sea, and where a tragic event spurred an incredible, resilient celebration of light and community.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, Penghu truly embodies resilience. From its early inhabitants adapting to a windswept landscape and building with coral, to its enduring spirit after a devastating plane crash that ultimately led to its most famous festival.
Yeah.
This archipelago has consistently transformed challenges into opportunities for growth and celebration, always finding a way to shine.
Indeed. As you imagine yourself amidst the vibrant lights and sounds of the Penghu Fireworks Festival, or perhaps exploring its ancient coral villages and windswept coastlines, what story do you feel Penghu tells most powerfully?
Good question.
Is it human resilience in the face of adversity, the raw power and beauty of natural wonder, or the enduring spirit of its people expressed through devotion and community? And how might understanding these layers enrich your own journey, wherever it takes you?
Something to think about.
Think about that, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.